So today we are going to be doing a house update. I'm so excited to be doing this because you guys have been asking for it. We have a new TV console, we have a brand new bed. The whole experience has been really fun and things are slowly coming together. I'm still waiting on the main piece of furniture, which ironically is the first piece of furniture that we ordered. I'm gonna try my best to link everything now that thrift stores are open, now that HomeSense is open and all that. I do want to make it there properly at some point and start really dressing up the home. So I can't wait for the home decor hauls and all that stuff that's coming up. I also want to kindly ask and remind people to please respect our privacy. Most of you guys are really good at it, but Toronto is very small. So if you do find our address, I really ask you guys just not to show up here or anything like that. I know most of you totally get it and stuff like that, but I do have to remind you guys we do have security. It's a very vulnerable space to be in. Again, I know my safety is my personal responsibility, which is why I'm saying this here, but it's very important to us. Obviously really appreciate it, and I want to continue making these videos. I want this to be fun, but if it's not going to be safe at some point, I have no choice but to pull them, right? Let's look out for each other, let's keep each other safe, and let's get into all the fun stuff. There's a lot to update with you guys, but at the same time our house does kind of look the same. So if you haven't caught up till now, I'm gonna link a playlist I just made for all of our home improvements, our house hunting process, everything, and I hope that answers some of the frequently asked questions on here. So the main two things that we have is a living room update and a bedroom update. So let's just get to the living room because that's where I'm standing right now. You can see it behind me. Let me just set you guys down. Oh, it looks so good from here. Okay, so this is our current living room situation. As you guys can see, we have a big piece of furniture over here that we were so lucky to get from my mom's work. They didn't need it anymore, so they asked if we wanted to have it as long as we paid for the moving. So voila, we have a TV console. When we're all gathered around the TV, and especially for the Bachelor finale, this is going to be freaking bomb. I know our living room looks a little bit disjointed right now because there's a lot of cool tones and warm tones and everything. Once we get the new sofa, whenever that is coming, I think the space is going to look a lot better. So happy our TV is no longer on the floor. So as you guys can see, we have plenty of room for all of Dylan's gaming systems and stuff like that. That's the PS5, that's the Xbox. And then we have just the controllers here. The way we wired it, it already had holes in the back, which was awesome. So we have all of our plugs here, so that way we don't have as much cord clutter, which is always a bonus. But I love that everything can be neatly tucked away when he's not playing it. This section is actually kind of new. I don't think it's gonna stay here because you guys know we had this in the office, but this book was from a friend for our housewarming, and she also gifted us that diptyque candle, which was so incredibly gracious. You know who you are, so thank you so much. And then this little wooden bowl. We have our sage in here, and then we also have Toledo's iMeds and my AirPods, but this is a really good catch-all. You guys can get these at the Japanese dollar store. It's called Omomo, and they have so much of this mango wood stuff, which is a really good anthropology or crate and barrel dupe. I feel like it's so much more expensive if you get from places like that. Let's do this. I think that may look nice. Okay, so that's what that is. Same TV. You guys have seen this before. And then this little thing is not going to stay here. I think I may move this over to the Le Corbusier. I'm not sure. I just feel like maybe this needs a side table moment. Same coffee table, we love it. The only thing is it obviously does get a little bit fingerprinty because it is glass, but we don't mind it too much. We wipe it a lot. Currently, this is also serving as our dining table because we don't have a dining table, but hopefully that will be in the next video. I got asked a lot about this when I posted it. This is Toledo's new dog bed. I like this one because it's washable. It's by the brand Nan Dog, but we actually picked this up from HomeSense. I don't know. I just really liked it. It's like the cloud couch, but for dogs. I think it's really cute. One last look at the living room. I think it's turning out pretty good. I just can't wait till we honestly have all of the actual furniture in here because the sofa is obviously throwing me off. I moved our old mattress out so I could show you guys what it actually looks like. So really excited about this. Welcome to our bedroom and our new bed reveal. I was really inspired by Kendall Jenner's bedroom when it came to this bed, and that's why I picked it, because it just looked super tranquil, really simple. I knew I wasn't gonna get tired of it. And as you guys can tell, the size is a little bit different than the old bed because we got a king mattress. We actually got it from the Bay. I believe it's a Sealy or something like that. And it's on the firmer side because Dylan and I both prefer a firmer mattress. We don't only sleep with 2 pillows at night. I have all these pillows here. I made it pretty for the video. I think this is very sophisticated. Like we actually have a second one of those lamps that we're gonna have to put on that side, but I love how tranquil and calm this room is. We haven't invested in any other bedding other than the fitted sheets. So if you guys have any suggestions for bed sheets, I would love to know. Bed is actually a slipcover bed from EQ3. Nightstands are also from EQ3. I just love these because they're just so simple. And if you guys look inside, I just have like random stuff like books I'm reading, ointments, whatever, I don't even know, like stuff that nerdy people keep beside their bedside. This poof is old, it's also from HomeSense. This is an Amber Interiors Anthropology collab. This bed, guys, is massive. I'm gonna show you guys what I look like on it. I honestly think getting a king mattress in here was one of the best things we could have done. Like, ugh. I don't think I've ever shown what the bathroom looks like, guys, because it's just a very standard bathroom, but this is the update. We've clearly moved in over here. I believe this vanity is from IKEA if you guys are looking for it. Got our little night light, and then the only new addition we have is I got this really pretty shower curtain from HomeSense once again. I think a fabric shower curtain is great. It's easy to wash and all that. Yep, that's our bathroom. It's not that exciting, but I figured I would just show you guys. This towel back here is from Target from a really long time ago. The hand towels here, these are from HomeSense. I do want to switch out this light fixture up here because it's like very, very bright. I know we could just change the bulbs, but I figure we'll probably go with something a little bit more contemporary. I'll put up what I'm thinking about putting here, but at the same time, we still want it to be good light. So I don't know. I'm just like kind of torn of what I want to do. In here is just all of my skincare and Dylan's. This is such a mess. Sorry guys. I don't know why I showed you guys that. I have an entire tour of this space and the whole makeover and everything, but not much has changed down here. That's still a construction zone, and then this is our office. I'll put up the real B-roll of what this space looks like in case you guys haven't checked out the full transformation and you just want a mini update. Basically, the space was like empty and now it's our filming space, which is great. We get really good light down here, even though it is a lower level, but let me set you guys up. That's basically it. You gotta shoot here. This is where I just filmed my latest thrift haul if you guys haven't watched that already, but like I said, really, really amazing light. That is basically it. I'm gonna post some of that stuff. Yeah, I'll put the nicer pictures in here just so you guys get a real feel of what it looks like, but for the most part, guys, let's be real, it looks like this. I still like can't believe that we live here. It's like so crazy. I'm gonna link my Pinterest so you guys can see all the inspo that we're working with. I try to pull you guys on Instagram as well of what you guys are into because I know you all have incredible taste. So I love to get your opinion on stuff, but things are moving and going. It's getting warmer here. So yeah, definitely stay tuned, watch this space, and let me know what you guys think. Bye guys.